Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a pair of goggles. And let me show you what we've got. Comes with a nice little zipper pouch here for them. Right down there. Here. Okay. It comes also with a set of, looks like a nose piece and ear plugs as well. Let me show you guys that as well. Here, let me open that up. My dog likes to put stuff in there. Okay. So here we go. Okay, so these can go in your ears as such. I'll only put the one in, I won't even put them in because I can't hear myself talking. And then, so I have those, I have the nose piece. I've never used a nose piece before really, so I guess it's gonna just keep my nose closed, if I wanna do that. And then I have my goggles here. So these are them. And it looks like it has a protective film removed before use. My dog likes to just keep putting her toy in the water. Okay, so here we go. So now I have them here. They have a little bit of a yellow tint, so let me see. They are adjustable on the side here. It looks like you see I can do that. See how the size fits to start off with. Oh, actually, about my size already. So this is what it looks like here. These are nice looking. I'm gonna go here underwater. Let me back up a little so you can watch me go underwater. And I can see underwater and no water inside the goggles. So I'm gonna say that's definitely a win. So if you need some goggles, these look like some really nice ones. I'm gonna be using these ones here all summer long. Very nice. Thumbs up for sure.